You look amazing in the trailer. I want to ask that, when I watched the trailer, I thought that it was like Kabir Singh in full police mode. So I want to know that were there any moments when you channelized your Kabir Singh energy for Deva?
I can take offense to your question, Tanya. Because, no, I mean, I'm just joking, yeah. See, he's an aggressive character, but I think Deva is only Deva. There is no Kabir Singh in Deva. And I can say that very proudly. Having said that, I guess that's a role that people have really liked and loved. So I don't take it negatively, but rest assured, Deva is Deva. He's not like any other character. Till I had not played Kabir Singh, people said, oh, is he like Tommy Singh in Udta Punjab, Or is he like, this thing, Heather, he looks crazy, Actually, people compared it more to Tommy Singh because there also, he was a crazy guy who was high on drugs and, Kabir has his own issues of being high. So those are things which happen before a film comes out because you've only seen 1.5, 2 minutes of the character. So you can't really get a sense of the character. But when you want to enter a film and when the world of that film unfolds in front of you, then the character comes alive. Till then you're just seeing 1%, 2%, and you're seeing the same face, so I guess. So I would say Deva is nothing like Kabir. But yes, he is an aggressive character, but there's much more than just aggression to Deva, which you will discover on the 31st of January.
Thank you.
Great.
Hi Shahid, Prachi from India today. My first question to you is, you said this film is very special and we've seen you doing a lot of action films before, but every character comes with its own challenges. So, is filming, what was the most difficult part for you, if it was any challenges that you faced, difficulties?
ये सारे जवाब जो है ना मुझे रिलीज के बाद देने कसम से मेरी एक और प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करा देना बिकॉज if I start telling you things it will be revealing too many things about the film.
Shooting in
Yeah, so
on
those are
streets.
those are obviously the obvious challenges, but those are locations and shooting in real locations and
super busy ones.
yes, very very busy ones and so all that definitely. But to me, what is the real challenge of a character is always whether you feel it's a different person that you're seeing, which you haven't experienced before, whether I'm able to surprise you as an actor and make you feel like, oh, I didn't see Shahid like this before, whether I've been able to give you the second and third layer of that character and not just the superficial, typical layer of the character, or whether you will remember that story and that character and the dialogues and the moments and will they come back to you after 1 or 2 days or maybe after a week. So those are the things that I feel मुझे जब मैं audience था तो मुझे ना मेरा प्यार फिल्मों के लिए उसी वजह से बना था कि यार दे स्टे विथ यू कुछ कैरेक्टर्स कुछ मोमेंट्स. तो ऐसी कुछ फिल्में मेरे करियर में आई हैं जो लोग 10 साल 15 साल 20 साल बाद भी उसके बारे में बात करते हैं, उन सीन्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, उन कैरेक्टर्स को डिस्कस करते हैं, मोमेंट्स डिस्कस करते हैं. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है आई थिंक देवा विल बी वन मोर फिल्म लाइक दैट फॉर मी एंड देवा इज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एनीथिंग दैट आई हैव डन. बट प्लीज आस्क मी दिस आफ्टर यू सीन द फिल्म एंड प्लीज सी द फिल्म and I'd be happy to answer your questions.
Definitely. My next question to Pooja. So when a film is offered to you, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you say, okay, yes, I want to do this project, and yes, I want to be a part of this journey for the next 2 to 3 months that I'm going to be there on the set? What is that first instinct?
I think it's an instinct thing. There's sometimes it's like finding the right partner. That घंटी बजनी चाहिए. And I think it also it's different things sometimes. Sometimes you say yes because you want to work with the filmmaker. Sometimes you say yes because you really like your character. Sometimes you say yes, sometimes I say yes because I really like the film and I just want to be a part of a film, a good film. But of course, those factors aside, this year I have really taken a little bit of a like 10 steps back and kind of just decided to do roles which make my soul happy as an actor, and which is why I took Deva because I just felt I really liked her character. I liked that no one in Hindi especially has seen me like that, and if I manage to do that and I can pull out a real performance. I think some filmmaker might just see it and cast me. So you never know, but I think mostly it's all about that gut feeling that you get that, I don't know, let's just do it, let's go for it, you know.